Hello students, I am Tanmay Dev. Welcome to Sancheta. Today's passage is an editorial from the Hindu and it's about Malabar Exercise 2020. Total words 869, speed will be 80 words per minute. Before the dictation, I would like to share some important facts about this passage. Malabar Exercise 2020 is important because for the first time all the four countries is to be participated. The four countries are Australia, Japan, India and the United States. After 2007, Australia is participating in the exercise in 2020. Passage held in 2020 between India and Australia. Exercise Malabar is a trilateral naval exercise involving the United States, Japan and India as a permanent partners. This exercise began in 1992 between India and the United States. In 2015, Japan became the permanent partner. You should also know about some facts about Australia. The Prime Minister of Australia, Scott Morrison. Australian dollar is the currency of Australia and Canberra is the capital of Australia. Now be ready, I will start my dictation after the countdown of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Later this week, frontline warships from India, Australia, Japan and the US will team up off the coast of Visakhapatnam in the Bay of Bengal to carry out advanced maneuvers including surface, anti-submarine and anti-war warfare operations, cross-deck flying, shipmanship evolution and weapon firing exercises under phase 1 of Malabar 2020. This is the first time since 2007 that the four countries are together in the Malabar naval exercise. While the quadrilateral security dialogue within bracket quad bracket close between the four has no military dimension, they are now teaming up to exercise together under the Malabar banner. This comes after a Ministry of Defence within bracket MOD bracket close statement on October 17 which said within double quote, as India seeks to increase cooperation with other countries in the maritime security domain and in the light of increased defence cooperation with Australia, Malabar 2020 will see the participation of the Australian Navy. Decode. The exercise is being held in two phases with phase 1 from November 3 to 6 and phase 2 from November 17 to 20 in the Arabian Sea. For over 3 years, New Delhi was reluctant to accept Canberra's request to join Malabar as an observer. The first indication of a change in view came in June when officials signaled that there was a rethink. A key meeting in the MOD in August took an in-principle decision to invite Australia for this year's exercise pending a formal announcement. Experts believe the ongoing standoff with China in eastern Ladakh had an impact in changing New Delhi's view. The participants of Malabar 2020 are engaging to enhance safety and security of the maritime domain. The MOD statement said within double quote, they collectively support free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific and remain committed to a rules-based international order. Decode. The planning conference for the exercise was held virtually due to COVID-19 and the exercise has been planned on a within single quote non-contract at sea decode format. Australian Defence Minister Linda Reynolds said the Malabar exercise showcases the within double quote deep trust between four major Indo-Pacific democracies and their shared will to work together on common security interests. Decode. In a recent interview to the Hindu, Australian High Commissioner to India Barry O'Farrell, while saying they were within double quote delighted decode at being invited to Malabar, said with the benefit of hindsight, he can say that withdrawing from Malabar within double quote was a mistake. Decode. Australia had joined Malabar in September 2007, which also had a small contingent from Singapore and coincided with coming together of the within single quote quad decode grouping. Both were quickly disbanded after sharp reaction from China. Malabar began as a simple passage exercise within bracket passage bracket close in 1992 between the navies of India and the US and hit a pause in 1998 after India's nuclear tests in Pokhran to resume again in 2002. Since then, it has become an annual feature. Within double quote, the 2003 Malabar was seminal since it not only graduated from the two-dimensional level to a three-dimensional exercise within bracket involving surface, subsurface and air platforms bracket close, but also included visit, board, search and seizures within bracket VBSS bracket close missions against suspect vessels. Decode. Wrote Gurpreet S. Khurana, Executive Director, Maritime Foundation, in an issue brief within single quote Malabar Naval Exercise, Trades and Turbulations. Decode dated August 5, 2014. Within double quote, such operations may be necessary to curb terrorist use of sea transportation, including for trafficking of weapons of mass destruction within bracket WMD bracket close decode. Both sides fielded submarines for the first time in 2003 and aircraft carriers in 2005. USS Nimitz, INS Virat. Over the years, the exercise grew in scope and complexity. It got converted into a trilateral exercise with Japan's inclusion in 2015. Phase 1 of Malabar 2020 will see participation of US guided missile destroyer USS John S. McCain, Australian long range frigate HMAS Ballarat with integral MH-16 helicopter and Japanese destroyer JS Onami with integral SH-60 helicopter, Indian Navy fielding destroyer INS Ranvijay Steel Frigate INS Shivalik, offshore patrol vessel INS Sukanya, fleet support ship INS Shakti, and submarine INS Sindhuraj. A Sindhu Ghosh class Russian Kilo class diesel electric submarine. Hawk advanced jet trainer P-81 long range maritime patrol aircraft, Dornier maritime patrol aircraft and helicopters will also be participating in the exercise. Officials were quiet about the flotilla of Phase 2. China gave a restrained response on the announcement. Asked about Australia's inclusion in Malabar, Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Zhao Lijian said in Beijing that they within double quote noticed decode this development and China believes military cooperation between countries should be within double quote conducive to regional peace and stability. Decode. While New Delhi may have been reluctant to let Australia into Malabar, it has quietly improved its military cooperation with each of the Quad countries bilaterally. Information exchange for enhanced maritime domain awareness is a prominent theme for the Indian Navy with increased presence of Chinese Navy in the Indian Ocean. Since 2008, China has maintained regular presence in the Indian Ocean region in the name of anti-piracy patrols and even deployed submarines for the purpose. In 2017, China formally opened its first overseas base in Djibouti in the Horn of Africa. This has also brought a change in the Navy's operational philosophy in the last few years with its mission-based deployments, a series of logistics support agreements to increase operational turnaround in the region and beyond, and other foreign cooperation and capacity building activities. The Malabar and cooperation with the US is one of the many strands being pursued. There are also other regional organizations such as the Indian Ocean Rim Association and the Goa Maritime Conclave that India is actively engaging. Stop writing. Now you should try to read your script and then do transcription, which will help you to improve your speed and accuracy in stenography. Now I am showing you important words with outlines. This is part 1. This is part 2. This is part 3. Now I am showing you the full passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. And this is the final part. Now I am showing you some important words with their meanings. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you find my videos helpful to you. If so, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care.